only for your information. Together we burn, together we mourn. Yeah, 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 yeah. I came with the fire, but the pack brought the storm. Together we break codes, rewrite the norm. System try to chain us, thought we would bend, but wolves don't die, we evolve, transcend. Legends ain't told, we embody the page. Every howl is a verse, every scar is a stage. Punchlines heavy like truth on stone. We ain't just a clan, we a kingdom grown. Virtue Wolf Clan, stand tall, break chains, no fear. Virtue rebel in the system, but the code stays clear. Virtue thanks to my brothers, the fire extends. Virtue we don't just survive, we ignite, we ascend. Virtue Wolf Clan, stand tall, break chains, no fear. Virtue rebel in the system, but the code stays clear. Virtue thanks to my brothers, the fire extends. If we don't just survive, we ignite, we ascend. No, la will fear. No, la will fear. No, la will fear. Oh, no. No crown on my head, still the tribe gon' follow. Cause the flame that I spit make tomorrow swallow. From the ashes we rise underground with pride. Every wolf by my side, that's the reason we ride. They silence the sheep, but they can't mute wolves. Our loyalty's sharp, sharper than their rules. We fight with our spirit, no need for disguise. Legends live longer when the whole pack rise. Virtue Wolf Clan, stand tall, break chains, no fear. Virtue rebel in the system, but the code stays clear. Virtue thanks to my brothers, the fire extends. Virtue we don't just survive, we ignite, we ascend. Virtue waves transcend, cold bleach and smooth flow. Virtue rebel in the system, but the code stays clear. Virtue thanks to my brothers, the fire extends. Virtue we don't just survive, we ignite, we ascend. Oh, I will feel.